The Kind Plate initiative emerged in the early 1970s as a response to rising food waste and malnutrition levels, particularly in developing countries. In 1975, the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, estimated that 1/3 of all food produced globally ended up being wasted each year. Concurrently, millions were suffering from hunger in places like Africa, where food scarcity often outpaced production capabilities. Recognizing this stark disparity between abundance and scarcity, individuals such as Carlo Petrini, founder of Slow Food Movement, began advocating for the reduction of food waste through initiatives that supported both producers and consumers. By 1980, several countries had implemented programs promoting local agriculture and distributing surplus produce to those in need. This trend continued into the 21st century with more sophisticated models like the Kind Plate, which focused on leveraging technology and global networks to connect producers directly with consumers facing food insecurity. In 2015, these efforts had resulted in millions of meals being provided annually across continents. According to the United Nations World Food Programme, WFP, Kind Plate-supported programs helped provide over 7 million meals per day by 2030, reflecting a significant shift towards more sustainable and equitable food systems. The initiatives have engendered measurable societal benefits, such as reducing malnutrition rates among vulnerable populations and bolstering local economies through increased demand for agricultural products. Yet challenges persist. Some critics argue that the emphasis on waste reduction has diverted attention from broader issues of poverty and economic disparity. Nonetheless, there is substantial evidence indicating that Kind Plate's methods have significantly improved food security outcomes in regions where they operate. As we move towards 2050, projections suggest continued growth in population, coupled with climate change, impacts could strain existing efforts to combat food insecurity globally. To address this, experts predict future initiatives will likely incorporate more innovative approaches like vertical farming and precision agriculture, alongside traditional methods of food redistribution. Moreover, advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, may enable even more precise matching between surplus agricultural products and recipient communities, further enhancing the efficacy of food relief programs. In conclusion, Kind Plate represents a pivotal movement within efforts to address global food waste and malnutrition, having made substantial strides towards alleviating hunger worldwide, while raising awareness about sustainable resource management. Future developments will depend on continued collaboration across sectors alongside technological innovations, such as AI, for improved efficiency in these critical areas.